2025 is a battlefield. Budgets are cut, teams are shrinking, and decision makers? They're ignoring nearly every sales message they get. But you still have a quota to hit. And yes, it's possible. Selling on LinkedIn in 2025 isn't about polishing your profile and blasting cold messages. The truth is simple. The one who earns trust first wins. LinkedIn is no longer a showcase. It's a sales battleground. And if you want to stand out, you need a smarter playbook. This guide gives you 7 proven steps to reach decision makers. Without ads, without premium, just pure strategy. Step 1. Identify and research your target. Know who you're trying to reach. A CEO? A director? A buyer like Olivia? Study their profile, check their company content, and see what they care about. Relevance is everything. Step 2. Get noticed without asking for anything. Before messaging, show up. Comment on their post. Like something they shared. Be consistent, but don't pitch. Be seen. Let them recognize your name first. Step 3. Send a personal connection request. Avoid generic invites. Try, "Hi Olivia. I enjoy your posts and notice we're in similar spaces. Would love to connect." Respectful, personal, and it works. Step 4. Lead with value, not a pitch. When the connection is accepted, don't sell. Instead, send a short, helpful message. "Hi Olivia. I saw X trend in your industry. We recently helped a client with something similar. Happy to share insights if helpful." No CTA, no pressure. Just real value. Step 5. Offer a micro win. If she replies, don't jump to a meeting. Share a quick resource. A case study, a short video, a tip sheet, whatever builds trust. It says, "I'm here to help, not just sell." Step 6. Follow up like a pro. No reply? Don't push. Just follow up with, "Hi Olivia. Not sure if my last message got buried. Still happy to share a few ideas if it's relevant. Open to a quick chat if you are." Light, open-ended, this gets replies. Step 7. Close with confidence and care. In the call, don't pitch, listen. Understand Olivia's pain points. Then offer a customized next step. Based on what we discussed, I believe Xolution could work well. If it sounds aligned, I can send a quick proposal. In 2025, speed doesn't close deals, trust does. Follow these 7 steps, and LinkedIn will become your top channel for qualified leads, even during a downturn. Stay visible. Be human. Build relationships, not just pipelines. If you show up consistently and add real value, you'll win the long game, no matter what the economy looks like.